first of all, we have to understand what are the default arguments. Default argument means any argument that have certain default value. If we will not provide a value for this, then this default value will be taken in consideration. For example, look at this. In this function interest, principal, it doesn't have any value. Time, it doesn't have any value. But rate, it have one default value, that is 0.10, right? So we have to provide the value of the principal every time when we will call the function. We have to provide the value of time every time when we will call the function. But for the rate, it leave on our liberty whether we provide the value or we don't provide the value. If we will provide the value, it will consider that value. If we will not provide the value, it will take this default value in consideration. So look at example, first calling here. Interest, this is the name of the function that is required to call the function. First value of principal is passed here. So it will count the principal value 5,400. Then value of time is provided here. So time is taken as 2, but value of rate is not provided. So while calculating the interest, it will take the value of rate as 0.10 because we have cleared the default value here 0.10. So this is very important aspect. One more thing that you must keep in your mind, that while declaring the default values, it must be given from the right hand side. If any variable to the right side of the function have the default value, then the next argument can have the default value. For example, you cannot give the time is equal to 3 a default value if rate is not having any default value. Means all the argument left to the default value should have a default value. Is it clear? Okay. Now see the second example. In second execution of this function, principal have taken 6,100, time is given 3, and the rate is given 0.15. Now these three values will be taken in calculating the interest. And in previous example, principal is 5,400, time is 2, and rate is not given. Like here, rate is given. So here the rate will be taken as 0.10 because this is set as default. So this will be taken if no rate is provided while calling the function. So I hope, Purvi, you understand the importance of the default argument. So this is the default argument. You understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today our time is over. So we will discuss this topic again tomorrow, and we will further learn more type of the arguments.